Many creatures have come and gone over this planet's lifespan, but what happens when one of these animals returns from extinction? From Jurassic birds found flying millions of years after extinction to ancient sharks on the ocean floor, 60 animals fought against all odds and were caught alive on camera. The black-naped pheasant pigeon went extinct over 140 years ago. But in 2022, researchers got a whiff of a potential sighting at Ferguson Island in Papua New Guinea. An expedition was sent to the island to find the fabled bird, and lo and behold, they did it. The black-naped pheasant pigeon was officially back from extinction,